Hello student, my name is Alok Rai and welcome all of you on St. Angel Public School YouTube channel. Today I am here to teach you computer science for class 10 and in this I am teaching you part B and chapter number 2 and name of the chapter is Word Processing Intermediate. What is the name of the chapter is Word Processing Intermediate. In this, today we discuss managing style. What is discussed today? Managing style. First, we need to know why we are use style in our document. Why we are use style in our document. We format our document. We format our document to improve the look of the document. Okay, we format our document to improve the look of the document. Many formatting options are present on the home tab using which we can format our document. Using which we can format our document. Basically, style or formatting are used to make our document more attractive. Why we are using style or formatting in our document? To make our document more attractive. Okay, in this today we are discuss adding style in a document. First we discuss adding style in a document. Perform the following mention step to add style in a document. First step, open a new document. Okay, open a new document in MS Word. Second step, click on more style drop down arrow present in style group. Click on more style drop down arrow in style group on the home tab. We go to ribbon and in this we click on home tab. Okay, we click on home tab and in this we go style group and in this we click on more style drop down arrow. When we click it, then we get many options. We get many options. ठीक ना? Select a style that you want use for the style present in the style box, and we need to select any style those we want to use in our document. Okay, and our document text will change according to it. Now you see it on your screen. When I select different type of style, then automatically the text style is changed. Okay, see it carefully. Text style is changed now. Then text style is also changed. Text style is also changed. Some changes are happening in text style. Then text style is also changed. Text style is also changed. Text style is also changed. Then we need those type of text style we want to use. That type of option we select from here. That type of style we want, that type of option select from here. Okay, the style get active in the document and the formatting combination of the style will apply on the text type in the document. I think all of you understand it. Okay, I think all of you understand it. Then we need to discuss creating a new style. We need to discuss creating a new style. Many type of style are present in this. Many type of style are present in this, but we want to create a new style. But we want to create a new style according to his requirement. According to his requirement, then MS Word also provide a facility to create a new style according to his or according to user requirement. Okay, for this we need to follow the following step. Okay, First step, click on the dialog box launcher. Click on the dialog box launcher in style group on the home tab. In style group on the home tab, the style window will appear. तो क्या होगा हमारे पास style window will appear. Okay. Second step, click on the new style button. Click on the new style button or create style button or create style button present at the bottom of the style window. Present at the bottom of the style window. Third step, create new style formatting dialog box will appear. The create new style formatting dialog box will appear. Fourth step, mention the name for the style in the name text box. First we need to mention the style name those we want to create. And we give the name in the name text box and set up the style type and other formatting option as per the requirement of user. Okay, as per the requirement, and click on OK button After that, fifth step, the style will get added in the style window. And you can click on it to use it in the document whenever you want. Now we also see it in our image, and after that we do it practically. Okay, first we go in ribbon and in this we click on home tab. After that we go style group, where we go style group and click on that arrow option. Then we need to click on that. Then a dialog box will appear here. Then we clicked create new style. And when we click on it, that dialog box will appear. And here in the name section we provide the name of the style. Okay, let's do it practically. चलो हम इसे प्रैक्टिकली करके देखते हैं. तो सबसे पहले we go in ribbon and we click on home tab. Okay, and after that we go in style group and click on that arrow. Okay, that dialog box will appear. Then we need to click on create a style. When we click on it, that dialog box will appear. By default in this name is style 1. But if we want to change that name, we also do this. We give the name as Alok. Okay, we give the name as Alok. Okay, and we click on it. When we click on it, that style is added in style group. Okay, in style group, see it here. Alok, by default it is added here. Okay, by default ये यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, add हो जाएगा. But if we select that style, then text is behave normally, because in the font style we are not changing anything. But if we want to change in it, if we want to click on it, then our font style or text style will be changed. Then we need to right click on it and click on modify option Then we get many type of option here. There. फर्स्ट वी नीड टू नो इसमें से जो भी पहले से स्टाइल प्रेजेंट है उनमें से कोई एक स्टाइल हमें सेलेक्ट करना होगा। तो जैसे मैंने अपने पहला स्टाइल सेलेक्ट कर लिया हेडिंग 3। ओके, मैंने हेडिंग 3 सेलेक्ट कर लिया। देन वी आल्सो set the length of the font. Then we select the length of the font is 10. What we select? Length of text is 10, and we select the font in bold. Okay, in bold. Okay, and we give the other color as red. Okay, and when we make that changes, then we click on the OK button. Okay, then you see it when we select all the document and we click on it. Then we see it our text document is style is changed according to our style Alok. I think all of you understand it। और आज के लिए इतना ही। हाँ, आज इसको आप लोग इसको हटाना भी जान लीजिए कि स्टाइल को हम हटाते कैसे हैं। इफ वी वांट टू रिमूव दैट स्टाइल एंड वी वांट टू यूज दैट नो स्पेसिंग, देन वी नॉर्मली select all of the document and click on it। Okay, then our style will be changed। Okay, Okay, I hope all of you understand it, and I requested you please watch it twice and do the practical on your laptop twice, and please share that video with your friend, and please like the St. Angel Public School YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.